It just throws you out so smooth. Cardinals had a leadoff double first, and Pujols, Goldie, Arenado unable to drive them in. We go to the second. Miles Michaelis back out there. After 1-2-3 first, oh my, curveball, right? If Bryce Harper starts to get hot, look out, because the Phillies pitching right now is really good. His first postseason home run as a Philly, 6th for his career. The thumb looked healthy. The thumb looked healthy. 1-0 Vikings. We go right to the 5th inning. Michael's done after 4 1/3. Bring in Jordan Montgomery. Only his second relief appearance ever. Kyle Schwarber, bases loaded. Deep enough. Alec Bohm, I thought was their best position player. He's an athlete, man. Yes, he is. He would score. It's 2-0. In the 6th, more Goldschmidt. He's a tying run. He just held a little lost in these 2 games. Arenado punches out.
Yeah, you know what Aaron Nola was able to do? Stay off the barrels, move the ball up, down, in and out, and mix in enough curveballs.
5-7. Nola looking to get through 7 scoreless. Corey Dickerson, 2 outs, a single. That would do it for Aaron Nola. 101 pitches, 6 2/3 shutout innings. Bringing Jose Alvarado, gave up the pinch hit 2-run blast on the offense. Instead, he gets this pop up to end.